In this video, I will show you exactly how to fix that annoying error message on YouTube that asks you to sign in to confirm you are not a bot. This usually happens because of your browser cache or certain extensions. First, you should try clearing your browser cookies and site data. Go to your browser settings and find the privacy section to clear your history for the last 24 hours. This simple step often resets the connection and removes the bot flag from your session. If that does not work, the next step is to check your browser extensions. Many ad blockers or script managers can trigger YouTube security systems. Try disabling your extensions one by one to see if the message disappears. Another common cause for this issue is using a virtual private network. If you have a VPN active, try turning it off and refreshing the page, because YouTube often flags servers shared by many users as suspicious. You can also try opening YouTube in an incognito window to see if the problem persists there. If everything else fails, make sure your browser is updated to the most recent version. Outdated software can sometimes cause compatibility issues with security checks. Following these steps should get you back to watching your favorite videos without any interruptions or frustrating login prompts. Thank you for watching, and I hope this helps you resolve the issue quickly so you can get back to your content.